This is Carlos. For today's lesson, we're going to learn the use of contractions. A contraction is a shorter version of a word or a group of words that native English speakers use all the time. So, for the sake of fluency and better understanding, we'll go over some of these contractions and put them into practice. So, here are some familiar contractions. Some of them you have seen, some of them maybe you haven't. For example, you have I am, in the contraction form is am. You are, in the contraction would be your. He is, his. She is, she's. They are, their. We are, we're, and so on. I'm going to give you this page so you refer to it during class and we can do some practices, okay? Here are some other examples. Put them into sentences. We have, for I am, we have I am a student. In the contraction form would be am student. And then you have are not. The contraction would be aren't. For example, let's say they are not from Europe. They aren't from Europe. And then you got cannot, which is can't in the contraction form. So she cannot go, and the example is she can't go. So you have does not and doesn't. And you have it does not matter, it doesn't matter. She is, she's. She's tall, she's tall. Okay, so these are some of the examples that I brought so we can exemplify this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you guys the chance to practice. Okay, so I'm going to show you some sentences, and I'm going to give you a piece of paper and a sheet, and a sheet of paper, and a pen, and you guys are going to write these sentences, rewrite these sentences that I'm going to show you using the contraction form. And here's the first example.